Looking for a clean and safe environment for your feathered friends? The greatest air purifier for birds ensures your home stays free of harmful particles, pet dander, and toxins, creating a healthier space for both birds and humans alike. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. LEVOIT Air Purifier. The LEVOIT Air Purifier is an excellent option for bird owners who want reliable, safe, and efficient air purification. What makes this model stand out is its AAHM verified certification, which confirms it has passed strict testing for performance, safety, and energy efficiency. For households with birds, this assurance is crucial. The unit is equipped with a 56W high-torque motor and delivers a CADR of 143 CFM, making it suitable for rooms up to 1,073 square feet. Despite its power, the compact design, 8.7 by 8.7 by 14.2 inches, and quiet sleep mode operation make it perfect for bedrooms or bird rooms. It uses a HEPA-grade filter to effectively remove airborne particles such as dust, pollen, and pet dander, all of which are common irritants for birds. LEVOIT also offers a range of replacement filter options such as the toxin absorber, pet allergy, and smoke remover filters, so you can customize the purification based on your needs. The focus on genuine replacement filters ensures long-term durability and optimal function. With its lightweight frame and user-friendly controls, it's easy to move and operate. In short, the LEVOIT Air Purifier offers certified protection, smart filtration options, and quiet operation, making it one of the best air purifiers for birds, and a dependable addition to any pet-friendly home. Number 2. BLUEAIR Air Purifier. The BLUEAIR Air Purifier from the BLUEPURE Max series is a premium solution designed to deliver rapid, efficient, and quiet purification. It uses advanced HEPA-silent technology, which combines electrostatic and mechanical filtration to remove at least 99.97% of airborne particles as small as 0.1 microns, including viruses, pollen, dander, mold, and smoke. Ideal for bird owners, it can clean up to 3,048 square feet in an hour or 635 square feet in just 12.5 minutes. With a noise level as low as 23 decibels, it won't disturb sensitive birds, making it perfect for aviaries or shared living spaces. It includes a carbon filter that captures light odors from cooking, pets, and smoking, which is especially helpful in maintaining fresh air for birds. Smart features include air quality sensors, a real-time AQI display, and app integration for scheduling and monitoring. It also has voice control via Alexa and a geofencing feature that turns it on as you arrive home. The intuitive LED display and easy 2-button control make it user-friendly, while the 5-color AQI light gives immediate air quality feedback. The BLUEPURE 211i Max works with F2 Max filters, ensuring optimal long-term performance. If you're seeking the best air purifier for birds that combines speed, intelligence, and quiet efficiency, the BLUEAIR model is a smart investment.
Number 3. Germ Guardian Air Purifier. The Germ Guardian Air Purifier is a highly capable choice for bird owners seeking a balanced combination of filtration performance and germ-fighting technology. With a powerful fan capable of circulating air once per hour in a 743 square foot room and nearly 5 times in a smaller 153 square foot space, this model is suited for medium to large rooms. The key feature is its true HEPA filter, which captures 99.97% of harmful particles as small as 0.1 microns, including pet dander, dust, mold spores, and allergens. This is essential for birds, which can be sensitive to airborne irritants. What sets this unit apart is the built-in UVC light technology that targets airborne viruses and bacteria, including influenza and rhinovirus. Additionally, it features a pre-filter to catch larger particles like pet hair and extend the life of the main filter. The activated charcoal filter also plays a crucial role by reducing odors from cooking, pets, and smoke, helping maintain a neutral-smelling space. The Germ Guardian is zero ozone certified and includes safeguards to ensure air purification doesn't compromise your bird's health. It's easy to use with simple controls and a tower design that fits nicely into any room. Overall, this is a smart, budget-friendly option for anyone seeking the best air purifier for birds, combining effective multi-layer filtration with proven UVC sanitation.
Number 4. MORENTO Air Purifier. The MORENTO Air Purifier is designed for large rooms and delivers outstanding performance with its dual air intake system. This unique feature allows air to be drawn in from both sides, significantly improving purification speed. With a CDAR of 300 meters cubed per hour, it refreshes the air in a 1,076 square foot room every hour, making it perfect for bird rooms, living rooms, or open plan areas. The air purifier includes an advanced PM 2.5 sensor and real-time air quality display, which changes color based on indoor air pollution levels. In auto mode, it automatically adjusts fan speed to respond to poorer air conditions. Bird owners will appreciate the sleep mode feature, which lowers the fan speed at noise to under 24 decibels, virtually silent and non-disruptive to sleeping birds. It also shuts off indicator lights to avoid disturbing rest. This model has been third-party tested and certified for effective removal of airborne particles, ensuring safe and breathable air. While the filter is not branded HEPA, its performance closely mirrors true HEPA standards. With modern styling, a digital display, and efficient filtration, the MORENTO purifier offers advanced features at a budget-friendly price. It's especially useful for households that need real-time feedback and quiet operation.
Number 5. Germ Guardian Tower Air Purifier. The Germ Guardian Tower Air Purifier offers bird owners a compact yet powerful way to maintain clean indoor air. Designed for spaces up to 915 square feet, it features a true HEPA filter that captures 99.97% of particles as small as 0.1 microns, including dust, dander, and allergens, making it highly effective for bird rooms. The addition of UVC lite technology is a major benefit, helping to neutralize airborne bacteria and viruses, offering another layer of protection for your pet birds. What makes this purifier especially useful is its activated carbon filter, which reduces common household odors from cooking, smoke, and pets. Its tower design allows for efficient air circulation while minimizing floor space, and its performance has been independently verified in the US with certifications from CARB, ETL, and Zero of Zone verification. Quiet enough for use in bedrooms, dorms, or small offices, the Germ Guardian Tower is simple to operate and maintain. It's an ideal entry-level or secondary purifier for those who need targeted purification in a specific room where birds are present. Overall, this unit provides reliable performance in a compact and affordable package, making it one of the best air purifiers for birds when space-saving and multi-layer protection are priorities. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.